Learn to write. Writing is fun. In English, we have 4 lines to write on. First line is skyline. Second line is fence line. The third line is grass line. The fourth line is fruit line. Okay kids, today we will learn the formation of the letter T. Okay kids, first we will learn the formation of the small T. Put your pencil below the skyline. Come down straight. Touch the grass line and make a loop. Now put your pencil on the fence line. Move from left to right. Now try again. Well done. Now we will learn formation of the capital T. Put your pencil on the skyline. Move from left to right. Put your pencil in the middle of the line. Come down. Touch the grass line. Try again. Well done, kids. Thank you for listening.
Subscribe for more videos by EVI Teaching Resources.